Welcome to American Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thanks for joining us to learn today. My name is Shi Yi. Today, we will review what fraction is, how to read and write fraction, and understand the meaning of it. We will learn how to convert a whole number to a fraction. And we will learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Take it easy, it will be a very interesting journey. Let's get started. Do you remember what fraction is? A fraction shows a part of a whole. For example, 1/4. 1 is a numerator. It means how many parts we are talking about. The bottom one, 4, is the denominator. This means the total number of the parts. Or we can use this graph to explain. For example, I have a watermelon because I love watermelon so much. And I divide my watermelon into 4 equal parts because our denominator is 4. And then I ate 1 part of it, so I shaded this part. So this part of watermelon, it is 1/4. Great job! After reviewing what fraction is, let's learn something new. Today, we're going to learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. So, the first thing we're going to do is understand how to convert a whole number into a fraction, because it will help us to multiply. Do you know how to convert a fraction? The best way to learn it is jump right in. So let's learn from this example. How can we take the whole number 4 and make it into a fraction? So only thing we need to do is put the whole number 4 on the top as the numerator. And then we draw a numbered line over 1. We always put our denominator is 1 because any number divided by 1 is going to be equal to themselves. So 4 over 1 equal to 4. See, the value doesn't change, just the form change. As we can see, now we have both numerator and denominator. This is a fraction now. Well done! Let's try the next one. How can we make 5 into a fraction? Yes, the only thing we need to do is put the 5 as a numerator. And then we draw a number line over, and then we always put 1 as our denominator. Because any number divided by 1 is going to be equal to themselves. So the value doesn't change because 5 divided by 1 is going to be equal to 5. Great job! So as we can see, we have both numerator and denominator now. So we have our fraction. 5 over 1. Great job! Let's see the last one. 140. Although what you see is a huge number, but don't be afraid. We can succeed by following the steps. Remember, only thing we need to do is put this number as the numerator. And then we draw a number line. We divide it by 1. Great job! Because any number divided by 1 is going to be equal to themselves. So 140 divided by 1 equal to 140. So the value of them doesn't change, just the form change. Great job! See, we have a fraction now, 140 over 1. Wow, you guys are so amazing! Now you can take a brain break. You can pause the video, drink some water, and take a rest. Welcome back to multiply fractions by a whole number. Take it easy, we can do it. Now, let's learn how to multiply a fraction by a whole number. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's learn from this example. 2 times 1/3. When we multiply a whole number by a fraction, the first thing we need to do is take the whole number and make it into a fraction. So, how can we do that? Only thing we need to do is put the whole number on the top as a numerator, and then over 1. Now we got a fraction now. Then we'll bring down the next fraction is 1/3. Remember, when we multiply fractions, we can only multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So let's multiply numerator first. 2 times 1 equal to 2. The bottom one, denominator. 1 times 3 equal to 3. Great job! So we got our answer, 2/3. Let's try another one. 12 times 1/2. When we multiply a whole number by a fraction, the first thing we need to do is to take the whole number and make it into a fraction. So how can we do that? Yes, I heard the answer. We need to do 12/1. Here we go, we got a fraction here. And then we bring down the next fraction, which is 1/2. Okay, what's the next step? Yes, when we multiply a fraction, we need to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. Let's do the numerator first. 12 times 1 is 12. Great job. Let's try denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. Here we go, we got 12/2. But now, when you do 12 divided by 2, we know we can get an answer is 6. Great job! So, 12 times 1/2 equal to 6. After reviewing all, let's play the game. This game is called poker fraction game. We all know that a fraction consists of two parts, the numerator and denominator. In my game, I will use some numbers in poker cards as numerator and denominator. And we will do two practice of multiply fractions by a whole number. So let's see this one. How can we read this number sentence? Yes, 4 times 2, 9. Great job! When we multiply a fraction by a whole number, the first thing we need to do is make the whole number into a fraction. So we have our whole number 4 here. So how can we make this one into a fraction? Yes, we put our 4 as a numerator and then divided by 1. Here we go. Great job. Okay, now we can multiply them, right? We do numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. For numerator, 4 times 2 is 8. There you go. And denominator, 1 times 9 is 9. So our answer is 8/9. Great job! That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for learning with American Reads today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day!